Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith and I am finally starting my Air Fry Fridays segment. I made these bomb hot wings with my air fryer and I'm going to show you how. So before I start cooking, I always make sure to wash my hands. You know, with all this coronavirus mess going on, you don't want to add no extra germs or anything to your body to help you get sick. So I always wash my hands and I always sanitize my cooking area to make sure that I'm not getting any extra germs or any bacteria in my food. So here I am wiping off the counter just to ensure that my work area is clean. So I thawed out some chicken wings that I bought from Whole Foods. These are just some regular chicken wings, kind of average size, not too big and not too small. I just drizzled some olive oil on them. You don't have to put olive oil on your chicken wings. I do that to help the seasoning stick a little better. That's just something that I do even when I fry chicken wings. This has nothing to do with like the air fryer. So after I put the olive oil on my chicken wings, I season them with whatever seasonings that I want to put on. I have salt, pepper, cayenne pepper, and some garlic powder. And I'm just going to put that all over my chicken and mix it around. I let these wings sit for 10 minutes just to let the flavor marinate a little bit before I put them in my air fryer. Seasoning your chicken wings is also optional. I know my husband, he likes to use hot wing sauce on his. So, you know, with that, it really doesn't matter if your chicken is seasoned or not because you're going to put sauce all over it anyway. But I usually don't do that. So this is just me seasoning my wing. So here is the air fryer that I have. It's from the brand Bella and the size of it is 2.6 quarts. The size just depends on how big the drawer is. The bigger the size, the more food you can put in. There's a timer and a dial for you to change the temperature to whatever you want to change it to. It's super simple. There are some more advanced air fryers out there, but mine is just basic. That drawer comes right out. As you can see, this is the inside, and there's a little button that you push to take the inside out so you can put your food in, and then you put it back in pretty much when you want to cook your food. So I like to add a couple drops of oil in the bottom of my air fryer. This honestly isn't necessary, but this is just what I do. I don't really know if it does anything or not, but it hasn't like failed me or anything. So before I cook any of my food, whatever food I'm cooking, I always preheat my air fryer. It's pretty much like an oven. Like, you don't want to put your food in the oven and let it heat up that way because you know your food isn't going to cook right. So for the chicken wings, I'm going to put my air fryer on 375 and I'm going to heat it up for 5 minutes. So now that my air fryer is heated up, I'm going to take these tongs and make sure each chicken wing is flat and separate from all the other chicken wings. You can actually place the chicken wings kind of super close to each other, but I noticed that it takes the chicken wings longer to cook that way, and it also makes you have to cook them longer, and that also dried them out to me. So I just like to make sure the whole bottom is covered, and I'm not going to put anything extra. I've seen people line them up on the sides and stuff. Like, no, I hate the fact that my air fryer is so small that I can't put a lot of chicken in it, but it's okay. I just make them in batches like that. So I put that in for 15 minutes, and then after the 15 minutes is up, I take them out and flip them over and put them back in for another 10 minutes. Now you can leave them in for the full 25 minutes without flipping them over. I just feel that they cook more thoroughly with them getting flipped over in the middle. It's really up to you, but 25 minutes is a really good time for your chicken wings this size. I haven't made like full chicken wings in here, so I'm not sure of the time for that. But for your basic hot wings, 25 minutes will do the job. So here is the finished result of my chicken wings. They look absolutely bomb. They're nice and juicy on the inside and super crispy on the outside. I love this because It gives me fried chicken wings without all the unhealthy grease and all the frying and all of that. So I'm just going to take some of this hot honey. I absolutely love this hot honey. I found it, well, my husband found it for me at a local grocery store. And I'm just going to put that on my wings. These wings were absolutely bomb. And I actually make these wings all the time. Sorry I couldn't like bite into them and show you the crispiness on camera, but I was really looking a mess and I really wanted to get this video out for you guys. So check out me being fancy. Y'all know good and well I don't be doing all this to my chicken wings, but I did it just for y'all. How do you guys think my wings turned out? I absolutely love them. And of course this video is just the beginning. I make so much more: salmon, other types of chicken, potatoes, all of that. I can't wait to share my recipes with you all while being healthy. Like, I love my air fryer. I love my air fryer so much that I wanted to buy a bigger one. I thought I bought a bigger one and it's the exact same size as the one that I already had. So yeah, I'm mad about it. Guess what I'm gonna do with this one? I'm gonna give it to one of y'all. Yes, I know y'all love a giveaway. So yeah, I'm like, I don't need 2 air fryers. This one is a lot more fancier than mine. It's touchscreen, and the good thing about touchscreen is that you can like put the exact temperature. Like, mine is a dial, so I really don't know what the temperature is really on. I can look at the number and kind of hope that it's on that, but I really don't know. This one's touchscreen and you have a lot more options than I have on mine. It's from the brand Crux and it's really nice. It's super bomb. So all you have to do on this giveaway is, of course, like the video, be following me, tag a friend, and I want y'all to spam these comments. When I say spam the comments, I'm trying to work with Facebook, I'm trying to work with Tasty, I'm trying to be the air fry queen. Okay, y'all gotta get this traffic to my page, because I know y'all know I'm a natural hair influencer, but I need the traffic for this air fryer. You do that and the air fryer yours. I'm gonna give y'all a week and we gonna see who gonna win. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Thank you so much. Bye.